Hello everyone, welcome back to Bug Mode. Today's video is actually going to be about an effective home bodyweight workout routine targeting only your chest muscles. This workout routine is very much effective and doesn't require any external weights. You only need your body weight and therefore you cannot make any excuses. The thing with bodyweight home workout routines is that the longer the time duration for which your muscles are under tension or under stress, the better it is for them. This can be achieved by two ways: longer holds and higher repetitions. This is the basic funda to reach hypertrophy using only bodyweight routines. We will be using the same funda in our workout routine as well. So without any delay, let's get started. Before we get started, let's get warmed up so that the blood flows properly in our entire body. For our warm-ups, we will be performing 30 seconds of jumping jacks followed by 30 seconds of lunge stretch. Once we are done with our warm-ups, let's get ready to perform the very first exercise of the routine, which are the basic push-ups. Get in the basic push-up position and try to perform as many reps as possible without compromising your form. Keep your hips slightly higher up, keep your core tight. Always contract your chest muscles whenever you come up to complete a push-up. Alright, now that we have completed our push-ups, rest for about 30 to 45 seconds before moving on to the next exercise, which are the negative push-ups. Negative push-ups are another very effective exercise for your chest muscles. To perform this exercise, get in the basic push-up position and go down very slowly in a controlled manner. Always ensure your hips and core are tight enough. Once you are down, then push yourself explosively. Again repeat the same. You will see, if you are able to perform 20 to 30 reps of normal push-ups, you would be able to perform only around 10 to 15 now. This one is very effective, as here you are increasing the duration your muscles are under tension by performing it with longer holds. Throw in some more repetitions to push the duration a little further. Okay, now that we are done with our second exercise, get ready for the third exercise, which are the incline push-ups. These push-ups will be targeting the lower chest specifically. To perform the incline push-ups, grab any stool or chair or any kind of elevated surface to perform this. Always try to contract your muscles while performing any kind of exercise. Here also try to perform the exercise until failure, however without losing your form. Now get ready for the fourth exercise. Here we will just reverse the position. These are called the decline push-ups and these are very effective for your upper chest. Get in the position as shown and get started, and try to perform here as well as many repetitions as possible until failure, but without losing your form. Okay, now for the last one of the set, these are called the push-up circle. Basically, you need to perform a normal push-up and then a diamond push-up alternately while performing it in a circle. Along with your chest, these will also help you target your triceps. Alright, with this we have completed our very first set of our routine. Try to perform these exercises for 2 or 3 sets of each, and try to take rest in between each exercise and in between each set also. For a general rule, if you are a beginner, try to rest for about 1 minute between each exercise. If you are in intermediate stage, try to rest for about 45 seconds, and for all others, try to take a rest of about 30 seconds between each exercise. And between each set, try to rest for about 1 to 2 minutes. With this, we have reached the end of this video. Do share it among your friends and families and help them stay fit. We will see you again in our next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching.